The Lincoln Navigator SUV can tow up to an impressive maximum 8,700 pounds when equipped with a heavy-duty trailer tow package. The Lincoln Navigator features Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, designed to help make hooking up a trailer easier than ever before. It uses the rear view camera, radar, parking aid sensors, and external rear lighting to help assist with hitch ball to trailer coupler hookup. The feature controls steering, shifting, braking, and acceleration. To enable Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, press the icon on the touchscreen or on the Pro Trailer control knob on the dash to turn the system on or off. Then select Add Trailer on the touchscreen and follow the directions on the screen. Pro Trailer Backup Assist allows you to steer the trailer using the control knob without using the steering wheel. To enable Pro Trailer Backup Assist, press the button on the controller on the right side of the steering wheel to turn on the feature, then select a saved trailer from your list. Shift into reverse and follow the prompts on the touchscreen. Now remove your hands from the steering wheel and use the control knob to steer the trailer while accelerating and braking. Turn the knob left counterclockwise for the trailer to go to the left, and turn the knob right clockwise for the trailer to go to the right. Once the trailer is moving in the intended direction, release the knob to continue straight, and the Lincoln Navigator will follow the path of the trailer. Trailer Lighting Check is another great feature that performs an illumination sequence to confirm all trailer lights are functioning. You can access the lighting check through either the center screen or via the Lincoln app. Open the towing settings feature in the app menu on the vehicle center screen, press Trailer Light Check, and then start. Trailer Reverse Guidance provides informational graphics and camera views to help back up your trailer while you use the steering wheel to control the trailer and steer into a camping space or down a boat ramp, for example. It uses a sticker placed on the trailer to detect trailer angle relative to the towing vehicle and then provides instructions, graphics, and camera views on the touchscreen. You first must configure a conventional trailer in the system to use this feature. Press the trailer icon and use the touchscreen to select the connected trailer. To turn it off or on, shift it into reverse, then press the rear camera button to expand the menu. Trailer Sway Control applies the brakes to individual wheels and reduces engine torque to aid vehicle stability in the event the trailer begins to sway when towing. You can turn this feature on and off from the settings menu on the center touchscreen. The Trailer Brake Controller, located next to the Pro Trailer Hitch Assist knob, assists in smooth and effective trailer braking based on the towing vehicle's brake pressure. Once the trailer is connected and programmed into the system, you can increase or decrease the amount of gain or braking power by pushing the plus or minus buttons, and then slide the control on the right above the plus button to engage the trailer brakes. Thanks for watching.